Let's go install a new gas cap seal, shall we? And just to keep the critters out of the tank, we'll use one of those. Always got those handy. My gas cap has a bad seal. It tore quite a while ago, and every dealer has been telling me that I can't replace the seal. I have to get what they call a lock key set, which includes the side lock, the gas cap, and the ignition. So they're all keyed the same. My ignition works. I don't want to replace something that's working. I think it's just asking for trouble. All I want is a new seal. And everybody says you can't get one, and you can't. Johnny Lewis was nice enough to give me a seal off of his cap, and you know, one that he just had back there, and that's just dirt. The seal's not broken, so I'll show you how to get this apart. As soon as I can find my pliers. Okay, cut. Daggone it. What do I do with them? Are we still rolling, as they say? We are. Alrighty. So, okay. Uncut. So I marked these. They don't really have to be marked, you can figure it out, but I just wanted an easy way to orientate this back in. So you see they've got some crimps. It's just the aluminum crimped over the steel. The steel is not crimped itself. I've been bending that crimp back, or sometimes till the aluminum itself breaks. See how that's pretty flush now? Come to the next one with needle nose. Let's see, yeah, you can see that. Just start bending that back. There, part of that just broke off. Yep, that looks good. Come on out of there, fella. There. It's not getting loose. I had the knack down. There it goes. With Johnny's, it came right out first time. Yep. So there's the ring. It's kind of the retainer ring for the seal. And there's the seal. Take it off of the side first. There. Now there's where it was broken. If I filled my tank up and went, you know, a little bit down the road and somebody pulled out in front of me and I had to hit the brakes really hard, that gas would just gush out through there. So, kind of nice design, but they should make it easy to replace this. And I'm gonna go get some lube. I have some stuff called fuel lube I put on this, so I shall be right back. Cut! So when you're a full-time traveler and you can't have a tool bench full of all your sprays and lubricants, that's my lube bag. That's something I've been using for years. Keep that with me. A little bit of wheel bearing grease. Can't afford a whole can, so that's about all I got left of what I started out with. A little DC4 electrical lube and my favorite fuel lube. That's got the label on it, but it's good stuff. This stuff stays on quite a while. It doesn't wash off easily with gasoline, but it will eventually dissolve. It's real thick, almost pasty. It's great for putting O-rings and grooves and getting them to stay in there. This will protect the rubber for a while. Still allow it to move in there. Stay flexible longer. That's my theory. That's not the technical data sheet. That's my theory. And I'm sticking to it. There we go. Okay. New seal. Come on, you can do it. Go on there. There. There we go. New seal. Actually, I think I'm gonna... No, I'm not. I was gonna lube that too, but it's gonna have enough in there. And just for the heck of it, I'm putting this all back in the same orientation. Sweet. And it is very sticky. I'm excited. It's going to be nice not to have fuel gushing out my cap. Okay. Tap this down a little bit. Looks like it could go down a little more, but not much. Trying to keep you in frame. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's nice, yep. That's nice. Going on there nicely. Nice. See, it's just down below the edge now, like it used to be. That's a steel inner ring. And the outside that they crimped is aluminum. Sweet! Like it. So let's do one at what I'm calling 12 o'clock. Right there. See if this works. Yeah. I think that worked. Do one down here. One. Yeah, do one here. And do one here, I guess. Make sure that's all the way down. I'm going to try one with my dikes, see if it does better. No, it won't. So I'm just going to have to do that. And I'm not crimping it over as much as they had it, because I'm assuming I'm going to have to do this again in 25,000 miles. And probably about there. Apologize if you're going out of frame. I don't dare touch my camera to check it, so now that I'm all sticky. Yeah, put one there. Put a crimper there. There. Yep, that should do. It's certainly not going to come flying out of there. So, and the only time it would come out is when the gas cap is off. Other than that, it's going to stay. Yeah. Other than that, it'd be under compression and just always stay there. I'm a happy camper. I'm gonna wash my hands and come back. Cut. I'm gonna wash everything. What am I gonna wash it with? So WD-40 was the best thing to clean all that off with. A couple applications got it fairly clean. And there's that with the key. Turn it so you can see it, I guess. There. And then when it closes, and it won't leak fuel. I'm a happy camper. Johnny Lewis, thank you very much. I was using TubeBuddy to get tags for my video when I found this replacement seal with their installation video. See description for links. Okay, let's put the gas cap on with the new seal and drop it. Great, Roger. Super. Wonderful. Okay, let's put the gas cap on with the new seal. Ta-da! There you go. Ready for flight, Capitan. Thank you, Johnny.